So here we go. First whole verbal. Second one will be nonverbal. No. Goose, come. Good boy. Yay! That's the verbal. Now we're going to make him stop. Stop. And from a finger sign. That was nonverbal. This will be nonverbal stop.